Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Gerald, and in this video we'll be covering 3 tips on footwork. So let's begin.
Tip number 1 is to adjust your body height according to the shot. So if you expect the shuttle to be low, you keep your body low. And if you expect the shuttle to be high, you want to attack, then keep your body up. So notice this is a very bad example because my body height is pretty much constant throughout. And this is very common among intermediate and beginner level players. And if you want to ascend to the next level, you really got to learn how to anticipate and vary your body height to give yourself the best possible speed. So let's watch Peter Gader, how he does it in his match against Lin Dan. Notice, even if you clear, that doesn't mean you have to keep your body low. And if you have any questions, you're not sure, you can always post them in the question down below. And I'm sure, if you see any questions you know the answer to, please help a buddy in need and answer their problems. Right, he keeps his body low, pretty high, and he brings it down. From this angle, you can't see it so clearly actually. Now let's move on to tip 2, which is all about the upper body. So notice in this, again, it's a bad example. I have a lot of unnecessary movement in my upper body. So what this causes, it actually makes it a lot slower whenever you need to change direction. So this is especially important when you're getting tricked by your opponent. So notice in this good example now, you see I try to make my upper body stable. So even if my friend tries to trick me, notice that only my legs get essentially tricked, but my upper body always remains stable. So this is very important if you want to bring your footwork speed up to the next level. Again, now let's look at the professional. Notice the serve. Alright, so if you didn't catch that, feel free to rewind. And even throughout this rally, there was a lot of deception. And notice whenever they get tricked, professional players get tricked, only their legs get tricked. And the last tip is to watch your gliding foot. So again, we start off with bad example. Notice if I glide too much, it makes return very difficult because you lose balance and you need to take an extra step. And I noticed there was a video problem. Don't know what's wrong with the video clip. Suddenly there was this problem. So yes, okay, so this is really important. Now let's watch the good example. Notice that if I do not glide too much, my balance is good. Can return fast because it's very popular to glide a lot because it's convenient, but it's not actually effective for your footwork.
I hope you find this video useful. If you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great week.